Welcome to the chapter 11. So today's chapter we'll be learning how to run automation on a Firefox. So far we have discussed about how to run this on Chrome driver. Chrome driver works pretty straightforward, but the Firefox has a different way of doing it. We have to go to the internet and search Gecko driver for Firefox. So we need to download Gecko driver for Firefox. When you do that, you'll get the first link. Open that link. You get this link and come down. Then you have to download Gecko driver 20.24 Win64. Okay, you downloaded that. So once you downloaded that one, basically you move that downloaded Gecko driver for Firefox into a folder. The folder name it is FF driver, and you get the Gecko driver there, and you need to extract over there. When you extract, you will get this way. Okay, so this is how we download the Gecko driver for Firefox. Now what you will do next? You have to go to the code. So I have written another test case here called 005 run on Firefox. Okay, the test case is basically navigate the website, login. Okay, so this time it's going to be using Firefox. Okay, so I'm going to write the path for Gecko driver for Firefox. I'll put it as FF. You can put any string, but I got meaningful name. FF driver underscore path. I'll write it as, okay, I'll put it as add. Then inside this you'll be writing the path. From where do you get the path? Come over here, copy this path, Control C, then paste this over here. There you go, save it. Then next one is, instead of Chrome driver, you replace this with Firefox driver. Firefox driver, and include this path inside this brackets. So right now you can see there is an error because Firefox driver unable to find. You have to add the reference. Show potential fixes. There you add using openqa.selenium.firefox. Once you incorporate that over here, you'll see that this red error gone. Right now what we did is we set the path. When we use the path to make the driver. Okay, so if you want, you can put it as driver to differentiate FF to say driver Firefox. Even if you don't do, does not matter. Change wherever you want, wherever it's available, and in the catch as well. Yeah. So here as well, sorry, cable here as well. Okay, so right now we set for Firefox, and this test object is the same as before. We can do that and try what you are trying. You are opening a website and logging in using Firefox. Okay, this time it's going to launch Firefox. Let's going to see. We're going to see what is it happening. Okay, run. Okay, I can see that it's building. Yeah, start the Firefox here and launch the browser. Okay, logged in. Okay, close the browser. You can see that this case is passed here. Test methods is a fun 5 run on Firefox. So this is how you use a Gecko driver for Firefox. You don't have a straightforward method like the Firefox where you add the like Chrome, like you add the Chrome driver. You can come here and see the package. In the package, we have already referenced selenium.chrome.driver. So, but you cannot do the same way for the Firefox. Remember, Firefox, you need to go to the search internet Gecko driver. The keyword is Gecko driver for Firefox. So you come over here, download this. There are various versions for Linux 32, 64, Mac and Win32, 64. I downloaded 64. Then I put that into a folder called this folder, and give the path over here. The folder is over here. Extract it here. Use that path into the string ff_drive and use it here and launch the browser. So that's how you do running an automation on a Firefox, because most of the industry, they will be doing either in both in Chrome and Firefox, but because the customers are using not just the Chrome alone, some of the customers are using Firefox also. Likewise, you can have other browsers like Edge, Internet Explorer, and Safari, and other things like that. So that's a way. This is a way you will be doing for all those things. So Chrome is pretty straightforward, but that's not the case with Gecko. That's not the case with the Firefox. Firefox requires an additional downloaded Gecko driver, and that you need to use it in the new Firefox driver. Okay. So that is the pretty short chapter today I would like to discuss, and thank you everyone. Please subscribe us. Thank you.